Let's say you're a windsurfer and you want to record your rides. So you bought a GoPro 9 and you want to use it, but you don't want to sink it, and you want to mount it on your head with this head strap. So you will need this angle, but you have to find a way to prevent the camera from sinking. So the next thing you bought is this floaty. And you want to put everything together, but there are two problems. One, the foam is so big that you cannot get this correct angle. The second problem is that this screw goes only from this side, and the groove for the screw is made from the opposite side. It won't work. The solution for this problem is a short cord that you tie to the camera and your harness with the bowline knot.